The very unit responsible for investigating and combating organized crime have rank-and-file members under its nose smuggling drugs. Hello everybody, I am Kemar and welcome back to Tailored Feed, where the news is tailored for you. So today we're going to talk about C-TOC. Roll the tape. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has undergone a major leadership shakeup at the Counter-Terrorism and Organised Crime branch, better known as C-TOC. Assistant Commissioner Dr. Anthony McLaughlin and Superintendent Victor Barnett have been reassigned and new commanders installed. But this isn't just another reshuffling. The changes come on the heels of 2 illegal parcels of cocaine found in C-TOC storage, uncovered during an audit triggered by the arrest of an inspector attached to the unit. In the latest transfer, which Force insiders say are sweeping changes inside C-TOC, at least 4 members of the gazetted rank have been affected. They include a deputy superintendent and 2 inspectors, 6 sergeants, 16 corporals, and 23 constables have been transferred to various police divisions island-wide. This is as a result of a widening probe headed by Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake into what he believes to be a multi-million-dollar cocaine organized unit that is linked to overseas people within C-TOC. So with all of that said, I have questioned. So for those who have eyes to see can clearly see, this is what we call bureaucratic rotation. This is meant to protect careers and reputation. So will these corrupt police officers simply go back into frontline policing or be quietly absorbed into new or other specialized units? If parcels of cocaine were found within a major criminal investigation unit's own storage facility, what does that say about oversight and discipline inside the force? And more importantly, why are we not hearing clear answers about accountability? We know that part of C-TOC's function are now being rebranded and reorganized under a new unit, such as the Specialized Investigation Branch, SIB, promising a more consolidated and efficient force. But is this real reform or just cosmetic change? What message do these internal transfers send to rank-and-file officers across Jamaica? Does it strengthen morale and integrity? I would definitely love to know what your thoughts are on this whole crappy situation with C-TOC. So please leave your comment down in the comment section below. And of course, thanks again for watching. Please, by all means, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all that is happening in Jamaica. And share the video, like it. Show me some love, people. Until next time.